What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A couple of weeks ago, I made a video on a complete upper body warm-up routine that you can follow during any of the upper body days. If you haven't watched that video, I have linked it somewhere here and it's also linked down in the description, so do check it out. Now, it only makes sense that I cover the lower half as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a complete lower body warm-up routine, which will not take you more than 10 minutes. I've said this before, guys, and I'm going to say it again. Do not skip your warm-ups before a workout or even the cooling down period post-workout. I'm going to make a video on that as well soon. But those first 10 minutes before a workout and the last 10 minutes after a workout are super crucial for performance and preventing injuries. Watch this video to understand why warm-ups and cooling downs are so important and why you need to do them. With that being said, let's now jump into the warm-up.